Students, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be explaining the maths question paper which was held in the examination 2 of SSLC. You can see the date here, 27/5/2025. Coming to the first question, if an, Sn and Sn minus 1 represents nth term, sum of the first n terms of n, sum of first n minus 1 terms of arithmetic progression respectively, then the correct relation among the following is. Here, the students make mistakes in the signs plus or minus, so be careful with the signs. And coming to the answer, the B is correct. N is equals to Sn minus n minus s n minus 1. So B is the correct answer. Coming to the second question, the angle between the tangent and the point of circle at radius through the point of contact is. Here both they make 90-degree angle. Each are perpendicular. Both are perpendicular to each other. So option C, 90 degree is the correct answer. The lines represented by a pair of linear equation in two variables having no solutions are. The option A is correct, parallel. Coming to the fourth question, volume of cuboid whose length is L unit, breadth is B unit, and the height is H unit is the LBH cubic units is the correct answer. Option number D. Coming to the fifth question, which of the following can be probability? Which can of the following can be the probability of an event? Here, the option A is the correct 1/5 because option C is wrong and option B and D is directly wrong. Coming to the option C, here pi divided by 2. Here there should be number of outcomes, means if there are example 2 balls, if there are 2 balls, how you can pick the 5 balls? So option C is wrong, option A is correct, where probability is much larger and it is 5. So option 1/5 is correct. That is option A. Coming to the sixth question, the value of sec square theta minus tan square theta is. Here it is identity and it is a formula. So directly the answer will be 1. Coming to the seventh question, this is from triangle lesson. Go on reading this question in the figure. D parallel BC. If AD is equals to 2 cm, E is equals to 1 cm, and BD is equals to 6 cm, then the measurement of EC is. Here the answer 3 cm. Here we should apply the basic proportionality theorem to solve this question. Coming to the eighth question, the mean and mode of a data are 7.5 and 6 respectively, then the median of this data is. Here is 7 is the correct answer, option C. Coming to the 1 mark question, here they are asked you to write direct answers. If you write direct answer, they will give you the full marks. Write the LCM of 5 and 7 answer. LCM is equals to 5 into 7, LCM is equals to 35. Write the roots of the quadratic equation. This is a twisted question, I think, because here they have directly asked you write the roots of the quadratic equation. They have not asked purposely the formula, but you should write the roots because they have given the general formula ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. So it will be the Sridharan's formula, x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Coming to the 11th question, write the formula to find the area of the sector of a circle with the radius r and angle theta with degree measures. It is asked in bracket with degree measures. You should write the degree measures. Area of sector is equal to theta divided by 360 degree into pi r square. You will get the 1 marks. 12th question, write the formula to find the total surface. And do prepare all the formulas from the surface area and volumes because they are important, and per year or every year they will ask the questions related to formula directly. Total surface area is 3 pi r square of the solid hemisphere with having radius r. Write the distance of the point P of x, y from the origin. It is from coordinate geometry. So d is equals to x square under root x square plus y square. That is the correct answer. What is the sum of the probabilities of all elementary events of a random experiment? Answer 1. Coming to the 15th question, it is related to circle and see how they are solved. I will just doing the scrolling of the question paper because the video length will be very much lengthy. If a pair of linear equation, this is the fixed question they will ask. Pair of linear equation, you identify the solutions, then find the value of p. Here this is questions, it is little bit twisted, so it is in the starting part of your textbook. Go through that questions also. There are 2 to 3 questions they have solved. It is from real numbers, 2 marks question. Prove that 6 plus root 2 is a irrational number. So these are the steps to solve, and you can see the half marks distribution at the right hand side of the question answer paper, how they are solved. And coming to this is the fixed question I was saying about. From pair of linear equation, two variables x and y are the two variables here, and you need to find the x and y value by elimination method, as they are strictly mentioned the elimination method. If you follow other method also, they will give you the partially marks, but solving by the elimination method will save your time. So here answer is y is equals to 2 and x is equals to 3. Find the root of the quadratic equation. Here the equation x square plus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0 by factorization method. So you should follow the factorization method to solve this, not other formulas. Find the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation in OR option. So here the roots are x is equals to -2 and x is equals to -3, and OR option discriminant b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. See the question, it will starting from the x square plus 5x plus 4 is equals to 0. This you should solve by you should find out the roots of this quadratic equation for the OR question. The 20th, it is from arithmetic progression. Find the sum of first 20 terms. Since fixed question, only number will be changed. This changed. All the procedure will be same by taking the formula of SN. Per year, they will ask the question for arithmetic progression for finding 20 terms by using SN formula. So go through this question also. This is important. S20 is equals to 590. The number they will change per year, but the procedure remains the same. This is from triangle. No, this is from trigonometry lesson, and this is from coordinate geometry 22th question. A2, 4, 2, 8. Just to go on reading it, I will just scrolling due to lengthy video. 23, the length of the rectangular field are 40 cm and 56 meter respectively. Calculate the maximum length and a rod that can be used to measure both length and breadth. Exactly how many times this rod has to be used to measure the length of the field. This is from quadratic equation chapter, which is asked for 2 marks. This is from probability. A box contains 6 blue and some red marbles. The probability of picking a blue marble is 3 of 8. Find the number of red marbles in the box and also find the probability of picking the marble. Here is the OR option. The 6 faces of the die that shown the number as given below. This die is rolled once to find the probability of getting the perfect square number. So here let the number of red marbles is equal to 2 marbles, and coming to the OR question. It will start from here. Sn is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the faces of a circle. Ns is equals to 6 because there are total 6 faces. E is equals to 1, 4, 1. This is the probability of what they ask, a square number. Yet they have taken and they have solved as it is P of P is equals to 1 by 2 is the answer. Just you follow the procedure. I will not solve this question because it will consume more time. So coming to the 3 marks question, find the zeros of polynomial. This is fixed question. They will every year they will ask the question, only changing the x minus 2 or x minus 1. They will interchange the signs and variables or numbers. Go through the same procedure. You will get the answer if any question. If you want to solve, prove that the length of the tangents drawn from the external point of the circle is equal. This is from circle chapter. This is a theorem. So if you write the steps as it is in this PDF, you will get the full marks because this is the PDF prepared by faculty members of the board itself. They are high level faculties. They will prepare this, and after preparing only they will correct your papers what you write in the board examination or final examination. Come to the prove that probably this is from trigonometry. So here they will, you have directly here answer 1 by cosec. You need to prove this by using the identities and formulas. If you don't know to solve this question, do one thing, directly solve some of the steps and use identities if you know that, and directly write the answer if you don't know to solve. If you know, you can solve and get easily the 3 marks. Any alternate method used for the correct answer, marks should be awarded. Here they have given the note. You can read it. Or here is the LHS. Different method they have solved in the OR. It is for OR. Here there are 2 questions. You can see OR. So there are 2 questions. This is first question and this is the second question. Solving for OR. Here this is the same procedure also. Yes. And find 20th question. Mean of the following data. This is statistics chapters. Go on reading that values and all. It will consume more time, so I will be just scrolling. Here you should write the formula. If you write the formula, you are only getting the half marks, not 1 marks. keep it in mind. So solve some steps to get at least 1.5 marks for this question. If you don't know to solve also, only formula writing, it will be only be fetching you half marks. This is 29th question. A triangle ABC equilateral triangle arcs dot arcs are drawn in triangle ABC with A, B, and C as the centers of circles, radius 3.5 centimeter shown in the figure. This is the question. I think this is the below. These are the arc in the triangles as naming A, B, C, D, and all. So you need to find the area, I think. Yes, area of quadrilateral triangle. This is the whole step, and you will be getting the 3 marks here. You can see here at the end you will be getting the 3 marks, and the answer is 7 centimeter. Similarly, length of TS. This is very much big question, I think. So you need to solve it very carefully. Go ahead. You can follow the steps, read the questions and all. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment into. This can be solved by this formula P of x is equals to. Writing the formula, you will only get the half marks, and you should write the given what is given in the question. For this question, again you will get half marks, so your 1 marks you can easily score here by writing formula and what is given in the question. So P of x is equal to 7,3. This is the answer. Distance between points. Yes, you can see how they are solved. Coming to the 31st question, in the fractional denominator, question common denominator is 1 more than twice its numerator sum of its fraction and its reciprocal is 29/10. Then find the fraction. Some students here, it is or, I think, yes, it is or. Some students plan to visit a museum. The total cost of food for them was Rs 300 per, but 4 of them were unable to visit the museum, and therefore the cost of the food for each student was increased by Rs 20. Find the number of students who visited the museum. This is a complex question asked from the concept of quadratic equation or pair of linear equation, I think. So this is a very lengthy question to solve also. Here you should apply the concept. So the denominator for the question, this the museum student answer will start from here. How they are solved and how the mass distribution is, please keep it in mind and follow the all signs which you should follow. Here the question is from polynomials. The graph of y is equal to p of x is given in the figure. Write the degree of polynomial, identify its zeros and hence find the polynomial. Here you can find out easily by comparing the graph. Degree of polynomial is equals to 2 because at the 2 points it has been touched. Y is equals to px, that is -2 and 1. It is touched on the x line. Here you can see degree of polynomial is equals to 2. Zeros are -2 and +1, as you can see in the graph, -2 and +1. And let beta is equals to +1 and alpha is equals to -2. So taking those values, you should solve required polynomial, that is x square plus x minus 2 is the required polynomial. In the triangle ABC, this is from triangle. Just read the question, and here is the answer for that. You should apply corresponding angles rules also to solve this question. Here is the graph. Find the solution of the given pair of linear equation by graphical method. So you have to take some random values of for x and y, then find out the points to mark on the graph. And main thing here to mark on the graph is the points where you mark, you can see in the graph, and the scale. X is equals to 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. Y axis 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. You need to mark this all and should score the good marks. Here they are written. For table construction 1 plus 1, drawing 2 lines by marking points is 1 marks. Making point of intersection and writing values of x, it will be 1 marks. X and y will be 1 marks. Note any other points can be considered to get straight lines. So you should follow the above rules what I said, starting from for table construction to note. In arithmetic progression, 7 terms. It is the arithmetic question. In arithmetic progression, 7 term is 5 times the second term, and fifth term is 1 less, that wise the third term. these are the some complex question. This will be fixed for each year. If you solve any 5 to 6 question papers related to previous year question paper, you can easily fetch 4 marks from it. It is not any tough question, or it is not a rocket science that is so difficult. You can easily score here by referring previous 5 years question paper. It is not difficult. It is from surface area and volume. A solid toy is from the hemisphere surrounded by. You should read the question because this video will be very much lengthy. Just see the answer, how they have solved here. And finally, the answer is, you can see here, this is the application of trigonometry question. Go on reading the question and you can see how they have solved by taking the diagram. Sometimes they will not give the diagram, sometimes they will give the diagram. So follow the diagram if they have given. If not, you should draw the diagram and answer for the question. So this is where the important points. And next is the basic proportionality theorem, BPT, they have asked here. It is also known as Thales theorem. So follow the steps here, what they have marked, what their diagram is, and also write the same points if you want to score out of out marks for the theorem. Thank you for watching till end. Do subscribe to my channel and also share it with your friends. Thank you for watching till end. Also comment if any of the question is on your side. Thank you.